2026 Dodge Durango RT 5.7 liter Hemi with custom purple stripes. She's gonna change the rims here soon. Gonna do custom purple rims. Gonna do some more silver lining of the paintwork and everything. She's gonna make it all purple. Purple accents at least. Purple on black. It's gonna look really good when it's done. Drove all the way from Pittsburgh to come see us, guys. We appreciate them. Stock converters right there. Stock converter right there. All everything's nice and shiny, brand new. What we did is installed 2 new Black Widow mufflers. Part number BW0013-2. There'll be a link in the description for them. Continues out into a muffler delete. Right there and right there. We kept their stock tips for now. They wanted some purple tips. They bought them but forgot to bring them in, but it is what it is. They'll get them installed a little bit here soon. Right there and right there. Dodge Durango GT 5.7 liter Hemi. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the old mufflers and resonators that we cut off. There's the center one, and there's the 2 rears right there. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh yeah. It's a cold start. What you guys looking for? Sounds good? Gotta get more to it. Woo! Ah, 113. Only 113. Alright. Back it out. That was 113 decibels. That's good. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you guys ever need anything, hit us up. You can give us a call with all your questions at 615-612-6244. Come get yours done. Drove all the way from Pittsburgh, guys. We're so thankful for them. Hooked them up. Hear it on the inside. '26 Dodge Durango GT 5.7 liter V8. All the way from Pittsburgh. And back to Pittsburgh she goes. That sounds phenomenal. You can't tell me that doesn't sound phenomenal, guys. Wow. That's amazing. Enjoy, guys. Only at Exhaust Addicts.